Looking for a dependable replacement part that matches your GM vehicle's original factory quality? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Harness is designed to deliver just that. It offers the same fit, form, and function you expect from genuine GM components, ensuring your vehicle's body, electrical, and lighting systems perform flawlessly. What makes this harness stand out is its strict adherence to GMOE specifications. That means you get a product built to the exact standards of your vehicle's original part, guaranteeing seamless compatibility and long-lasting durability. It's not just a replacement, it's a reliable solution engineered to maintain your vehicle's integrity. One satisfied customer from the United States put it simply, "The harness worked perfectly and made installing speakers easy." This kind of straightforward performance is exactly why choosing a GM recommended replacement matters. You avoid guesswork, reduce installation time, and get consistent results every time. When you install the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Harness, you're investing in quality backed by General Motors. This harness supports your vehicle's electrical and lighting systems without compromise, helping you maintain both safety and sound performance. It's a smart choice for anyone who values reliability. If you've been weighing your options for a speaker harness replacement, this product is worth a look. It removes the uncertainty of aftermarket parts by offering factory-level assurance. Plus, its durability means fewer replacements down the road, saving you time and money. Ready to upgrade your GM vehicle's speaker wiring with a harness that fits perfectly and performs as expected? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Harness is available now. Try it when you're ready to experience the difference that genuine GM quality brings.